EPSU, my organisation, is the European Federation of Public Service Unions, and we're what is called a European Industry Federation. Now, there are a number of different European industry federations for each different sector. We cover the public service. There is also an industry federation for transport, for the metal sector, for woodworkers, for journalists, etc. And all of these industry federations are grouped under what is called the European Trade Union Confederation, the ETUC, which is the umbrella group for all trade unions at a European level. The way the trade union structure works at European level is that we have bodies made up of representatives from different national unions. Usually those representatives are the General Secretary or the International Secretary of the National Trade Union. In EPSU terms, the way we have contact with national trade unions is through our executive committees and our standing committees, where we have the elected official, usually the General Secretary, coming to each of our meetings here in Brussels and then going back to their own member state country and reporting to their direct members. So there is a space between EPSU and the ordinary members, but we can't really realistically hope to fill that space directly because, for example, EPSU has 8 million ordinary members. The easiest way to explain why trade unions have to organise at a European level is because European legislation is always more powerful than national legislation. In other words, European law supersedes national law. Because of that, any European legislation has the potential to be enormously significant. So therefore, trade unions need to have a voice and actual people as part of that system in Brussels, as part of the European infrastructure. So our job is to not only assess European legislation, but to make constructive proposals to ensure that our ordinary members' values, our ordinary members' concerns, and our ordinary members' working lives are improved through the European project.